So when you get here, what you're going to do is you're going to click the easy button, and my mouse is going crazy here. You're going to get started in 3 simple steps. The first thing you need to do is watch the video, whether it's lead lightning, the free lead lightning system, or the power lead system. Always watch the videos. Training. It's all important. The more knowledge you have, the more successful you're gonna be in this affiliate marketing. So step 1, if you're a power lead system member, you would click the button, join the Facebook group. The Facebook group has a lot of information. You can ask questions, they respond back fast. Step number 2 is choose which link below to advertise, A, B, or both. Typically, when I first started as a free lead system member, I promoted referral link B. I already had something else in mind, which was Clickbank, so I just attached that to this link here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take whatever offer you have. Right now, this is a Get Mobile app money offer that I'm promoting in my autoresponder emails, and we can test the link here. Let's see, and it takes me to the landing page, which takes me to the automated cash app system. So that link would be embedded in the automatic email. So what I want to do is I want to show you how simple it is to put a promotion in this link. So I would go to, let's say I have an affiliate offer on WarriorPlus that I recently found, and it's here. So what I'll do is I'll take my affiliate link here. Then I'll go back to this, enter your company's personal link here, and you just paste it in there and you click update. Oops. Yeah, that's how easy it was. I didn't paste it. I copied it. Here we go. I pasted there and I hit update. So it says changes saved, and now that link is here. It's going to appear in my emails, right? So when you want to test your link, and it takes you right to the page for the free trial, free 14-day trial. And actually, real quick, you can generate monthly massive income off of this. It's a new promotion, high conversions. The reason why I'm promoting it is you get 40% lifetime commissions on referrals. It's not that bad, but I'm promoting this right now. So, and using the power lead system, I actually created a capture page and and I connected it. Let me show you the capture page real quick. Let's see if I have it here. Let's see, capture page right here. Boom. Let me show you the capture page I created for this using the power lead system. Boom. Generate monthly passive income, celebrate your success, limited time offer, start your free trial now, receive a free stainless steel mug and personalized membership card. So I created this in the power lead system. It only took like 10 minutes, if that. It wasn't hard at all. But anyway, let's get back on task here. So that's how easy it is for promoting a Warrior Plus. This link here will be embedded in your emails that you automatically get through the funnel, through your capture page. So after the capture page, they enter their information. Then they're going to be added to your contact list. And then they'll start receiving a series of emails. So let me show you the next step is that. So after I put this link here, I'm going to click show me the link to use, and it's going to take me here. Now here's where it tells you a little bit more about what's going to be done here. It says website visitors who opt in to the link at the bottom will receive emails from you sent by us. The odd number emails 1, 3, 5, and etc. will promote your system here, right? And the even numbered emails 2, 4, and 6 will promote your main outside website. So what that means is emails 1, 3, and 5 will promote your lead lightning for those $6 commissions, or your power lead system for whatever the offer is. And then your odd number emails will promote this WarriorPlus offer. See? So, so that's pretty it's pretty simple. And you can do this with the free lead system that you already have. If you signed up, there'll be a link somewhere that you can. But that's free, and all you have to do is do that. So now basically you have a free way, a free method to capture emails, a free method to promote your emails, or promote your promotion, or your whatever you're going to promote through your emails, but it's all free. So WarriorPlus is free. The free lead system is free, and you just combine those two. The same thing, it works the same way with Clickbank. So log into Clickbank here. Let's see. Oh, they doing too much. I don't feel like doing all this, but where's the bus? Where's the bus? Here's the bus. There's the bus. Is that a bus? I'll say that's a bus too. And we'll go verify. They always catch me off guard with all of that. So what we do here is go to Marketplace. We can go to, let's say, e-business. And mind you, Clickbank is free to sign up. Super Affiliate System by John Cristani. This has a high gravity. It has a nice payout. So, or you can do the Clickbank University. It has a medium gravity, and it shows that people are buying that too. But this is just for an example. So we'll just hit promote here. We'll hit default, generate link. We're gonna grab this link here, do that, come back, and we're gonna go back to our enter your company's personal link to promote, basically, and you're just gonna put that there, paste it. Now that was your Clickbank link, right? After you sign up, you just follow those steps. And so Clickbank is free. The free lead system is free, right? So that's 2 free tools that you can combine, right? So then you hit update. Now the changes are saved. Excuse me, I'm trying to talk too fast. So here's your link here. You want to test the link, and boom, it takes it directly to this page, and you can earn commissions. And the commissions that it said you can earn was what? You 50. Oh, right here, average sales 50%. Initial sale $352. So that's a excellent way to to make some quick money. But it's not quick money in the aspect of you're gonna make money overnight. It's just a combining these 2 free tools and adding a few more steps in, like promoting it, or going to Facebook and pasting, your ads, or driving free traffic using Udemy and or Herculist or Lead Leap, where those are free traffic sources, or going to forums relating to the topic and posting your link. But this method here, what it allows you to do is it allows you to use the free lead system to promote your sales page or whatever you're promoting. And what this does is it captures the email so that you can use it later to promote something else, or you can do follow-ups. So it basically puts a capture page in front of your sales page. So yeah, I think this is an excellent tool. And it's free, and Clickbank's free. So the last one I want to show you here is how simple it is sharasale. ShareSale is another free network. You sign up. It's easy to get approved for. Right now I only have two promotions, but there is a way that you can do whatever you want here. This has a $30 per lead, $150 per sale if you're recommending merchants to the ShareSale network. But I really like the fact that you can make some good money on this, and I just signed up, so I'm still playing with it a little bit. But yeah, let me see here. There were merchants. Let me see. Search for merchants. Let's see here how easy this is. So what you want to do is search for merchants. You want to hit modify search. You want to get to auto approval. What that means is that anybody that you are going to normally you got to fill out a whole spiel on why you want to do a promotion for them or whatever. So to get around that, you just want to click auto approved. All right. Then you want to do auto deposit, because this basically says that you want to get the money automatically deposited right away. You don't want to wait. So I would select those two. Also at the top, you can get paid per sale, per lead, or a flat rate. So those are some options you can play around with. Like I said, this is a free system. So ShareSale is free. The free lead system is free. You combine the two and you can get paid. The only work you got to put in is combining the two and driving the traffic. So it's really two useful tools. So down here you can also search by commission rate and everything else. But anyway, so that's how that works. And the way it's set up the same way. You just get your links. You find your links. Oh, sorry, I went to the wrong place. So you go here, merchant status. These are the two merchants I'm approved for. I would get my link here, copy that link, go back to my free lead system, referral link B, place that link here, update. Now I have my ShareSale affiliate link all set up. I want to test the link. Since I'm already logged in, it's not going to, but it took me directly to the ShareSale site. Okay. So that's the point. So basically, ShareSale has, I'll show you briefly what this has. They have different, things that you can make money off of. You have physical products here. So there's tons of merchants. But like I said, ShareSale is free. It's free to sign up. So it's a free network that's not hard to get approved for. Right here, you can earn up to 10% commissions by advertising that. I mean, why wouldn't you take advantage of the free lead system and combine it with ShareSale, WarriorPlus network, or even Clickbank? It is beyond me. And just being on Facebook in the business, on the online groups and the make money groups, you see people who, just not using certain free tools to do what they need to do. Basically, they're just, some of them are just scamming, and now they have, everyone's, oh, wow, hold on. That was a nice one here. Look at this one, Grammarly. Earn big with Grammarly, $25, we'll go back, $25 activation bonus, 90-day cookie, 20 to 30% conversion rates. That is, that's something that you can promote. $20 per sale. Especially, you're going to be posting on social media. Why not? Why not combine these two free tools? Why not combine your ShareSale account or your promotion with your free lead lightning here and really make some money? And then you can do a follow-up because you got their email, right? And you can promote anything you want after that. And then on top of that, if you signed up for Lead Lightning, which is a one-time $7 fee, you could make $6 commissions off of anytime someone, decided to come into the program. So yeah. Anyway, now I'm rambling. So that's all I wanted to share. Just basically to recap, just how to combine two free systems together. Your Lead Lightning, your free lead system, and the free networks, which is Sharasale, WarriorPlus, and Clickbank. Those are free. There's plenty. There's tons more, but those are just three that I was that I came up with this morning. So, well, that's all I got. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. That's all I got for you now. I'm out. Thanks.